Do not place a trade based on what you see in this video because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There is no guarantees of making money in the markets and it takes you a long time to become a really good trader. So be smart about the way that you're trading. Also, what I'm doing is I'm running a special offer over the next few days. You can get a free trial to my Master Trader Lab. Plus, as part of this special, you receive 5 full master trading courses on frameworks, chart reading mastery, mindset, and much, much more for free. And this is valued at $5,188. Click on the very first link in the description below right now. So, hey traders, in this video here, we're going to talk about the gold stocks index or the gold stocks. And I'm going to share with you what I see through there. And I'm going to mainly focus on the silver junior miners because something's really interesting is happening right now. And it looks like we're starting to get in a bit of a trend change right now as I speak. And it looks like it's changing trend, and it does look like we're now starting. Does look like now what we saw in the gold stocks juniors. It was a bit of a false breakdown, and now it looks like it's starting to break back up. And what I mean by that is, you can see I'm looking at the gold stocks juniors, the GDXJ. This is, and you can see how we actually had resistance. See this trend line coming down through here, right? A lot of resistance through there. Plus we had all this support level through here, and that was the resistance level through there. See that through there? Notice how it came down, formed a bottom 1, bottom 2, and now it's actually breaking back up again. So this may be, gold stock may be getting ready for especially the gold juniors. If I go to my daily chart, look what happened just recently. We actually broke up, but we hit this trend line. So we're not out of the woodworks yet, but this is the first sign of things starting to change. Once again, if we start to break above this level through here, then this whole level down the bottom here would be one false breakout. Let me go to that weekly chart once again. And you guys know, right? I've been watching this like a hawk because if it starts to do this, we're likely to take on some serious price action. On this bigger picture, you can see what's happening through here. And now on this bit more of a closer picture, we're starting to see this false breakout happen where it broke down past support, it didn't follow through, went sideways, and now it's breaking back up again. So my sort of confirmation is this 35 price through here. Once we start to get back above those levels through there, then that's going to be my level to see, okay, you know what, this is now starting to change trend and we're now starting to get significance. And that's what I'm going to personally start to look for more of a maybe 1 to 2 year position, because then I see a lot more upside to come. Now, when that happens, there's other 3 things that can happen. 1, it actually fails and goes straight back down and you have a losing trade. So be prepared if you're going to put a position on. You need to accept that. Secondly, is that if we do start to get a big move up, then we're likely to see some really big moves over the next 12 months, or maybe over the next 6 months, like a really big move in the next 6 months, or it might be over the next 1 to 2 years that we start to see a movement up. Okay, so the first scenario, if we do start to get a break up, it actually just fails and we get break back below there. That can happen. So if you're gonna place a trade based on this video, I recommend you don't. But just remember that there's no guarantees of making money in the markets. But the probability is that we're likely to either do this, which is like this, over say a 6-month period. 6 months, I said there, not just 1 or 2 days or 1 or 2 weeks, or it might do this overall. Say over 1 to 2 year period before we get back up to here. We don't know, but that's what I'm looking at there right now. So this is getting really interesting, guys. I'm looking for a bit more, I'm looking for more confirmation. I'm all about probability and I'm a very conservative type of trader. So that's what I'm looking at there right now. Guys, let me know in the chat box below, what do you think about the GDXJ? Are you involved with the gold stocks? If you are, do you own any individual gold stocks itself? Let me know, and I can do a video based on that to help you out. See what I see. And what do you think? What do you think that's going to happen to the GDXJ or the GDX and also the GDXJ? So let me know in the chat box below. If you're struggling with the trading right now, then I want you to click on the very first link in the description, because I'm going to give you a free trial to the Master Trader Lab Monthly, where every single month I'm going to be giving you brand new trainings and helping you on all the areas become what I call the Master Trader. Plus, I'm going to give you 6 massive bonuses as well too. Bonus number 1 is the framework to a successful trader. This is a whole course. Bonus number 2, the chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course. Bonus number 3, the advanced chart reading mastery course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 4 is the millionaire mindset master course. Again, another whole course there. Bonus number 5 is the Master Trader Breakthrough bonuses, a whole bunch of bonuses. And also bonus number 6, you can get a free trial. Plus, I'm going to give you a massive discount. You can lock it in right now. So click on the very first thing in the description right now, and I'll see you on the next page.